Here's a 2014 Toyota Tundra. Is Ivan Lopez here, Banner Ford, 985-966-9443. That's me. Here's your Tundra. Does come with one key. Remote entry. Have the hood kind of pre-open so I can do this with one hand. Here's the engine. Pause at any time in the video. Fog guard in the front, fog lights. Here's your wheel style, your 20-inch, plenty thread life, 2 running boards, black. Cloth seats in the inside. There's the passenger condition, the driver's condition. Back seats. Goes automatic. Power windows, power locks. There's line glass, spray and bed liner, tow hitch, rear camera, driver's side look. Let's go take a look at the inside. One more time on the second row seat. Sorry about that. Power windows, power locks. Your tow lights, power mirrors. Here's your mileage. You got Bluetooth, cruise control, control radio, and screen. Again, Ivan Lopez here at Banner Ford. That's 985-966-9443. Of course, with this thrown in reverse, does have rear camber. Let me know. Of course, got a CD player. Again, it's me here at Banner Ford, Ivan Lopez, Banner in Manderville. Thank you.